MindEdge simulations are a creative and entertaining way to learn. Self-paced and 100% online, our simulations let you participate in a choose-your-own-adventure style of learning. MindEdge simulations are designed to replicate the situations you'll face as a leader or manager in the real world. When presented with a series of management challenges, you'll be asked what you might do in the same situation. The lessons embedded in the simulation teach the concepts that apply to each decision point. In our Taking the Helm at Coastal Industries Sustainable Management simulation, for example, learners are taught about return on investment before they are asked to calculate ROIs for competing green projects. After making each decision, you'll see video commentary from experts, and an adaptive scoreboard will let you gauge your progress against key success factors. Our simulations are developed by business school professors, industry professionals, and experienced subject matter experts who understand both theory and practice. Simulation content areas include team leadership, nonprofit management, project management, and sustainable management, and allow for an in-depth consideration of leadership and management questions. Our 4C Share Global Project Management simulation, for example, explores the issues that leaders face when managing virtual teams with different cultural backgrounds. In our nonprofit management simulation, Leading the Courtney Museum, learners manage difficult marketing and leadership issues facing a New England museum. The Health Max software project management simulation and the Allerton Connector Highway Project Management Simulation focus on the challenges and opportunities in managing complex projects with multiple stakeholders. After you complete your simulation, you can download your certificate as confirmation that you've earned the appropriate professional development credits. Participants tell us that MindEdge simulations are an enjoyable change of pace that encourages them to consider different perspectives, strategies, communication techniques, and leadership styles. Experience this for yourself by enrolling in a MindEdge simulation today.